That's your boy Lil Child, man. I'm with my crew, Zu'Kru, man. We're Rainstorm Photoshoot. On our upcoming mixtape coming this month. All the guys, Zu'Kru. Deuce right here.
KK, you already took your photos yet?
Me and this best, ma.
Alright,
Jay Grind. My nigga T-Bone over there, man.
T-Bone.
And here go that man right here. That's EBK. That's what we need to know right there. That's EBK, man.
Turn up. We out here.
Fuck y'all eating up in this bitch.
We eating pizza in this motherfucker. We been eating, you know what I'm saying? We been eating.
Pizza,
No
man.
pork. Eating steaks and beef too. You know what I'm saying? We got bottles in this bitch.
Man, that's low shit.
That's little shit.
Phil has some McDonald's.
Trying to talk to G.
So what y'all got coming? What y'all with the street to hear and shit?
March 1st.
March 1st, we got a show coming.
March 1st.
Money Bags, Loyal Licks coming. First single off that, Running. You know what I mean?
You know.
Tell them about Running.
I'm saying hot track called Running.
Man, kid in this bitch, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
How that shit go?
My nigga Deuce.
It's another nigga that need to be involved in this, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get him in that. But once we do this show, you know what I'm saying, we gonna get it cracking out here. All y'all niggas need to be eating out here, man. Stop playing them games. Real shit. That's for the street, you know what I'm saying? It's just when they be finna eat, you know what I'm saying?
You know what they say, man. Support Zu'Kru. You know, it's your boy Lil Child.
Oh yeah, that is some official Zu'Kru wear that Lil Tribe rocking. And
got some more over here.
We got some more over here. You know what I mean?
Zu'Kru support.
You know what I mean? That's my moniker, you know what I'm saying? The clown, you know what I mean? I'm the fool of the bunch, you know what I'm saying? On the front of that thing, representing my name, Commander-in-Chief, Mr. EBK. You know what I mean? We got another little piece of the motherfucking, you did? You know what I mean? Again with my moniker, you hear me? We out here.
Mr. EBK.
You know what I mean?
We eating, man.
Fuck with us. Oh, and we finna do some lady shit. So if some ladies wanna model some shit, man, fuck with us.